So today I want to talk about my trip to Sydney with Reolink. If you guys don't know who Reolink is, you guys are actually missing out. They are a global innovator in home security systems. They are fantastic, and I've been working alongside them for over a year now. And I actually got to go to their new product launch in Sydney just the other day, which was really, really cool. So before we get this video started, big thanks to Reolink for having me out there. Really, really do appreciate it. What I want to actually talk to you guys about is some of their new products that are launching in the future, and one of them that's actually already launched, which is awesome. Reolink had me out there to, like I said, to look at their new products that are launching, guys. So the first camera that is coming is part of the Power Efficient series, and that is the Magicam, the Argus Magicam, which is really, really awesome. I should be hopefully getting that on the channel soon. I can bring you guys more details about that. I can just show you a few photos and videos. I'm not going to go into too many details till I actually have the product. Just so you guys know prices, that is $99 and that is available right now, which is pretty awesome. The next product is the Reolink video doorbell, but the second generation. It actually is available in July, and it is around $229, which is pretty awesome. So it's actually got one-to-one head-to-toe view, which is crazy good, up to 300 days of battery life. Obviously, it depends on how much the camera is getting triggered, but just as an overview, 300 days battery life, which is really, really cool. 2K 4 megapixel Super HD. So that is the second generation of the Reolink video doorbell. Now that actually, like I said too, that also has this awesome accessory that is coming. That is like a solar charging accessory. Really, really cool. You put the camera into it and it's actually got these solar panel pads around it. And it's very smart. Very cool product. Next camera that is coming is the Reolink E1 Swift. This is a indoor camera. It says here, I'm just reading you guys some specs. Up to 4 months of battery life, 360-degree cover with auto tracking. So it's actually like an indoor tracking camera, which is cool. Obviously, your dual band Wi-Fi's, wired or wire-free, dual power options. I'm pretty sure you can put batteries into this one as well, or it's rechargeable. I can't exactly remember. Pretty cool though. Like I said, you up to 4 months battery life. That is 2K as well, and that is at about $100 to $120. That is coming in Q3 of 2026. The last video doorbell, this is a new one. This is the Video Doorbell SE, and that is coming early September of 2026. That is $149.09, so about $150. What's really cool about this doorbell, it actually runs on removable 4 AA batteries, which is really awesome. So if you're in a position where you can't be charging or you need to swap out batteries quick and those kinds of things, this camera is really, really cool for that. 4 AA batteries is crazy. Yeah, I've never really seen another camera that can actually put AA batteries into your doorbell. Very big thumbs up for that. Now, getting over to some of their new security cameras for the house or business. This is where things get really, really interesting. This is part of their new OMV series. And the new camera that just got released the other day was the OMV 3i PoE, so Power over Ethernet. And that is available, like I said to you, from June 1st, which right now I'm recording this video, it was yesterday. And that is out at the moment, which is awesome. That was $429.09. Guys, when I tell you these are new cameras that are crazy good, they are fantastic. They've got a set of panoramic cameras on top to track every subject that's in a 180-degree field of view. And then another camera on the bottom that can actually physically track each individual subject. It is really, really cool. All you need to know is we should hopefully have this camera soon so I can do my video on it. And it is looking really, really awesome. Some great features on there that I have seen in demo, and it was really, really cool how it can track and how quick it picks up subjects. Very cool. And the new AI video search, or the AI subject, whatever it is, AI search within your videos, I guess. You can search for people or things specifically. If someone's wearing a grey jumper and you want to see that, you can search that up. It is really awesome. And this is part of the new OMV series for Reolink. This is really, really cool. So there is 3 models coming out. So that is the first one that has released. They have a Wi-Fi version coming out in about 2 weeks, June 17th, and that is an extra $10. So again, not too much extra. And then they have I reckon this will be their flagship camera. This is called the OMV X16 PoE. That is going to be available later on in Q3 of the year. And that's about $650 to $750. And that camera is crazy good. And that is the one that I can't wait for to get my hands on because it looks absolutely unbelievable. I'm going to give you guys a couple specs so you guys can see what I'm talking about here. It's got an upper panoramic camera that's 16 megapixels, Ultra HD, and 180-degree field of view, synchronized smart tracking, local AI video search is what we just discussed, And then the lower camera, which is really cool, has got 4K 360 degree, 140 degree tilt, and then 16 times optical zoom. So you can get really close into subjects, but with optical zoom, not digital zoom, optical zoom. I can't wait to test this out. This is going to be a really cool camera, and I think from this camera onwards, Reolink are going to do some really awesome things. It's also got auto patrol and auto sweep. There are some of the features that are part of the X16, guys, and I'm really looking forward to that camera when it does launch. There are the new cameras and other doorbells and little accessories that Reolink are releasing. If you guys are excited, smash the thumbs up button. Make sure to be subscribed because I'm going to have a bunch of different Reolink videos coming out shortly. One thing I forgot to add, Reolink actually gave us a little gift when we left the launch, which is really, really awesome. So big thanks to Reolink for giving us a little gift. It's actually a water bottle, I think it's a badge or a bit of a badge here that says Reolink on it. And then I believe this is a bag as well. So a bag, a drink bottle, and a little badge from Reolink with the Reolink logo on there as well, guys. And again, thank you to Reolink for having me out. I really, really did enjoy myself at the launch event, and it was a big success, and congratulations to you guys. It was, really, really good night, so thank you very much. And stay tuned to the channel, guys. I'll have a bunch of videos coming out shortly. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next one.